Women's College Shillong, a premier girls' college of the city, as well as Women's College High Secondary in collaboration with the State Resource Centre for Women (SRCW), Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, organized the 2-day orientation program on the theme Gender-Based Violence and its Prevention to commemorate the UN activism on gender-based violence for the students and the teachers of the institute. The resource persons from Women's Commission Kong Thailin Panbo, Chairperson State Women's Commission Meghalaya, representatives from the Meghalaya Police Department Supriya Das of Sardar Police Station, N.B. Jarwa, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Advocate Suparna Sham from the legal fraternity, and representatives from NGOs working in the field of women and child rights, Balari Salingdo and Shannon Maser from Faith Foundation, participated and oriented the participants on various topics such as gender, women's rights, cybercrimes and its prevention, sexual harassment in the workplace, and other related topics.